I came back out in the shop after taking a break, and I decided I'm going to get this um, peg rack or board done so I can hang up my sweatshirts in the evening. And oops. So you can see I put nice long hooks on, which are just wood. At an angle, I use 12 degrees. And we have some white oak, some cherry, and some hard maple. And I really like this down here. This hard maple had this like staining going through it, weathering. Um, I think where the tree cracked and then the stain went up in there. So the other thing I'm trying different too is, so when I've been hanging pictures, I've been using those hooks or that they have a nail that goes in at an angle. It works really good. So what I did is I piloted pre-drilled holes, 3 of them, at an angle, and I'm going to just screw it right into the sheetrock. And at the angle, quite a bit of it's hitting the sheetrock. And I think 3 of them, it's not like I'm going to load this thing up too heavy. I think it's going to look really good. Now, I was going to do 4 hooks. I actually made a 4th. But when I put these on, I decided 3 was probably enough. And I didn't really want to cover this up, even though when clothes are on it, you're not going to see it. It's kind of a shame, but I just didn't feel like I wanted to cover that up, put a hook really low. So I think it'll work out. I think it'll still help me a lot, keep organized. And there it is. I think I'll come out later this evening, put one more just really light coat on the front of it. And hopefully I can hang it up in a day or two. Hopefully it's kind of warm in here, so the wood stove's going, so slow, very slow, but it is going a little bit. And it's already warm in here. So it should sink into the wood good and dry fairly quickly. Time to quit for the day.